Alright folks, we're going to do the plastic tornado bag trick. Everyone does the hair trick, the cup trick in the corner. We got 4 Power Acoustik Gothic series, or 4 Power Acoustik mofo 15s, the 154X dual form voice coils. We got 2 Power Acoustik Gothic series 6000 monoblocks running about 3700 watt RMS. Box is tuned at 32 hertz. We're going to do the tornado bag trick with the window completely down on this side and cracked over there. Song's called it's Baseballing by Bass Mechanics. And that, my friends, is a tornado paper bag trick. I don't know, or a plastic bag trick. I don't know if it's ever been done yet, but